Hi, my name is Brent.
Hello, I'm Ben.
We are Team Agility Field.
And we're making a project management app where we help people keep more accountability in their projects.
Construction projects are a very complicated process, and of course they involve teamwork. And essential to teamwork is cohesive collaboration, but one of the things that hinders that is communication problems and unresponsiveness.
Subcontractors oftentimes don't respond back to contractors. We are helping any person be able to make an emotional personal assistant out of the world around them.
Our philosophy at Agility Field is that we truly believe the best way for people to move forward with the task at hand or their job duty, whatever that may be, is to empower that individual with the ability to intrinsically motivate themselves.
We believe that motivation itself can be augmented and a sense of peace can be gained within the technology changing around us.
So this is where we come in to solve that problem. By doing so, we're assigning accountability to that individual, then also relating them to the whole big picture of that project, just making them have a bigger purpose and meaning for their actual individual role.
We are two people with project management experience. Brent deals with project management every day in his project engineer job, and we see that people are not having the communication that they desire. I love it when people are calm in the workplace, but priorities can make people excited. We believe that motivation itself can be augmented with a sense of peace that can be gained from the technology changing around us. Everyone works on teams. If people are frustrated, they don't get as much work done. And with push notifications in our system, we will be able to help people keep track of their assignments.
We believe this is revolutionary, not just to the construction world, but just the whole industry in general, as there's not really a metric out there that's capturing teamwork and communication.
If you want more info, go to our LinkedIn page, Agility Field.